How to reset the Bluetooth on an EKSA Mako BT wireless gaming headset. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is if it's not connecting to something and you just can't get it into pairing mode, this will force it into pairing mode, because once it's going to delete all the previous Bluetooth pairings and then it's going to disconnect from everything and then go into Bluetooth pairing, so we can force it into pairing. And the other thing that this will do is, again, if it's like paired to the wrong thing, or you just want to get a fresh start and pair it to something new, not have it automatically paired to anything else, we can go ahead and force it into this to delete its pairings, and then we can go ahead and pair it to Bluetooth. It's very easy to do with our headset on. Now the lights are on now, but they don't need to be on, they could be off. And all we're going to do is we're going to come in, we're going to press and hold the mute/light button for 5 seconds, and you'll see it will automatically, just hold it until it will go back into pairing, and you'll hear, I'm going to be real quiet and see if we can hear it say pairing. So I'm just going to go in and 1, 2, 3, hold. I don't know if you heard it, it just said pairing, so it deleted to whatever it was connected to and just went straight back into pairing mode. Now I can go ahead and connect it to whatever I want to connect it to.